Hi, Pirates. It's Miss Edwards again. I just wanted to say good morning and also talk about kindness a little bit because right now in the world today, I feel like everybody needs some kindness. And not just kindness where you think, oh, how can I go be kind today? Just make it your norm because here's the deal. If you are kind to others, they will be kind to you. So if you're kind to everybody around you to the best of your ability, things are going to change for you and you're going to see, wow, all these people are being kind back to me. So kindness as a norm is the best way to go about your day. You have any questions or need help with knowing how to be kind, that's okay. Fill out our counseling form. Mr. Brink or I will chat with you about it. Sometimes it comes naturally to some of us to be kind, and for others, it's hard, right? We might come from a family that's unkind, or maybe we've been making unkind choices, so people aren't being very kind to us, right? So it might be something we need to work on, but either which way, it will make you feel better. All right, Pirates, have a great day. Bye.